Hi guys, join me. Let's unbox the smartwatch Oriamo Watch 2 Pro. Yes, this is the free gift that came with it, a smart shaver. I think I have to give this to my dad. Okay, this is the watch. Oriamo smart accessory, bigger screen, smarter call, stay connected, Watch 2 Pro. Okay, let's see what is inside. Woo! Wow! Wow! So durable, so beautiful, man. Woo! I think you have to charge before using. Yes. It came with a cable, a cord. Yes. So which you have to plug at the back. At the back. On my next video, I will show you guys how to charge it and how to plug the charger. You understand? So enjoy.